For centuries, the soft, flickering light of Chinese lanterns has captured the imagination of people around the globe. Whether suspended in the air, floating on water, or carried by hand, these radiant symbols are a testament to human ingenuity and artistic expression. To the untrained eye, they might simply seem like beautiful ornaments, but beneath their delicate exteriors lies a profound history that spans millennia, a history intertwined with spirituality, innovation, and culture. To understand where it all began, we must journey to ancient China, where the first lanterns were not only functional objects, but also vessels of hope and meaning. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. The tale begins over 2,000 years ago during the Han Dynasty, 202 BCE, 220 CE. In those early days, lanterns were born out of necessity, crafted to protect the delicate flame of an oil lamp from the unpredictable forces of nature. These lanterns were simple in design, frames made from bamboo or wood, with coverings of silk or paper. Yet even in their unadorned state, they carried a deeper purpose. Fire, a source of warmth and survival, held a sacred status in ancient China. By encasing it within a lantern, people elevated its significance, turning it into a symbol of light triumphing over darkness. Lanterns were not merely practical tools. They became a medium through which humans communicated with the heavens, honoring ancestors and seeking protection from malevolent forces. As Chinese society flourished and advanced, so too did the craftsmanship of lanterns. During the Tang Dynasty, 618–907 CE, an era often hailed as the pinnacle of Chinese cultural achievement, lantern making evolved into an intricate art form. This was the age when lanterns began to shed their purely utilitarian origins and take on a role of beauty and celebration. The Lantern Festival, which falls on the 15th day of the Lunar New Year, emerged during this period. Streets and homes were illuminated by an ocean of glowing orbs, each one a canvas telling its own story. Lanterns of various shapes, dragons, lotuses, and birds, dazzled onlookers, their vibrant colors and detailed patterns a testament to the artisan's skill. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these lanterns symbolized unity, as communities gathered under their glow to celebrate new beginnings and shared joy. Colors, patterns, and forms were never arbitrary in the world of Chinese lanterns. Each hue and motif carried its own significance, steeped in tradition and belief. Red lanterns, for instance, are the most iconic, symbolizing prosperity, good fortune, and happiness. They are prominently displayed during joyous occasions such as weddings and festivals, their brilliance believed to ward off evil spirits. White lanterns, on the other hand, have a somber connotation, used during funerals and periods of mourning to honor the departed. Yellow, the color of royalty, was once reserved for imperial ceremonies. Lanterns became more than just objects of beauty. They were storytellers, conveying wishes, memories, and cultural ideals. As the centuries passed, the Ming, 1368–1644 CE, and Qing, 1644–1912 CE dynasties ushered in an era of innovation that elevated lantern making to new heights. Artisans experimented with materials such as glass, metal, and even porcelain, pushing the boundaries of what a lantern could be. Designs grew more intricate and ambitious, often depicting entire scenes from mythology, history, and nature. These creations became larger-than-life displays at grand festivals and temple fairs, captivating audiences with their ingenuity. It was during this period that lantern riddles gained popularity, blending intellectual challenge with festive fun. Guests at lantern festivals were invited to solve riddles written on the lanterns, an activity that added a playful and interactive dimension to the celebrations. Beyond their visual splendor, Chinese lanterns held profound spiritual significance. In Buddhist traditions, they symbolized enlightenment, guiding practitioners toward the dispelling of ignorance and darkness. During the Lantern Festival, Lighting a lantern was an act of devotion, an offering to the heavens, and a gesture of gratitude for blessings received. Taoist beliefs also found resonance in the flickering light of lanterns, which represented the eternal flow of energy and the harmony of opposites. This spiritual dimension of lanterns transcended specific religions, becoming a universal symbol of humanity's connection to the divine. The influence of Chinese lanterns spread far beyond the borders of the Middle Kingdom. As merchants and travelers journeyed along the Silk Road, they carried with them the tradition of lantern making. Neighboring cultures, from Japan to Korea and Southeast Asia, embraced and adapted these luminous creations, infusing them with their own local aesthetics and meanings. In the modern era, the appeal of Chinese lanterns has become global, with festivals and displays enchanting audiences in cities as diverse as New York, Paris, and Sydney. Their radiant glow has become a universal language, symbolizing celebration, unity, and hope. Even in today's world, where technology reigns supreme, the artistry of Chinese lanterns continues to thrive. Traditional methods of handcrafting lanterns remain deeply respected, with skilled artisans dedicating countless hours to their creations. At the same time, innovation has brought new possibilities to the craft. Modern lanterns now incorporate LED lights, motors, and digital elements, creating dynamic displays that can change colors, move, or even tell animated stories. Yet, despite these advancements, the essence of lantern making remains unchanged, a celebration of light, life, and human creativity. Reflecting on the journey of Chinese lanterns is a reminder of their enduring legacy. From their origins as simple protectors of flame to their status as intricate cultural treasures, they have illuminated not just the physical world, but the human spirit. They tell a story of resilience, beauty, and a timeless desire to connect with one another and the universe. In their glow, we see the reflection of centuries of history, tradition, and hope. The next time you witness a lantern lighting up the night sky, take a moment to appreciate its profound significance. It is not just a decoration. It is a symbol of humanity's unyielding pursuit of light, even in the darkest of times. Chinese lanterns remind us that no matter how much the world changes, some traditions remain eternal, their glow as bright and meaningful as it was thousands of years ago. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.